Hello and welcome to your basic JavaScript course for beginners. In this course, I introduce you to JavaScript, laying a firm foundation for you to do your studies. But before we begin, let me introduce myself. I am Matthew Dewey, lead programmer at Programming Tut. Having taught thousands of students several programming languages, I can assure you that JavaScript is one of the most enjoyable languages you can learn. This language incorporates a combination of different codes, but trust me when I say that it sounds a lot more difficult than it is. In this course, I teach you the practical way. All my lessons are done in the program where you can follow along, practice and experiment. Alan Turing, one of the most famous computer scientists, said, "Programming is a skill best acquired by practice and example rather than from books." Of course, I take this message to heart and teach you programming the most fun and enjoyable way possible, by typing a bunch of code and seeing what happens. I will also be posing hypotheticals, which will test you, as well as instill a programmer's level of ingenuity. After all, programs are created, therefore, be creative. At the end of the course, I provide you with a project to create a useful program. However, the guidelines aren't so strict, giving you the freedom to show some talent. That concludes this introduction. In the next lesson, I'll give you a brief overview on JavaScript.